Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix erase all content and setting not working on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, turn off screen time. Enter your screen time passcode. Again turn off screen time. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Turn off Find My iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Apple ID. Tap Find My. Again tap Find My iPhone. Turn off Find My iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.